Okay. Download is done. Now I have to go into this webhook section. Copy. Let's sudo. Now I go up this section. And set only of the php IPAM directory by this ch on-r command. Copy. And we have to copy this config that this.php to this location. Copy. This is done. Now I have to edit this config.php. The config.php is located in this section. Okay, now let's go to this section. And edit this config.php by Nano. Nano is Linux text editor application. I can type nano config.php or this command. Because I am in this location, I can either type this one or nano config.php. Let's see if I have ls. Okay, config.php. I type nano and config.php file. I am already in this location. Okay. Let's configure these sections. One is host, DB host, should be this IP address. Let's verify it is the desired local host IP address. Then the database user should be php IPAM user. I have specified here in the previous section. php IPAM user. This should be the same as this one. Let's add this into this one. Okay. Then PHP password should be the same as this password I have specified in previous section for database creation. Copy. Paste. And database name should be the same as this database name here. And port is 3306. Okay, I have to add this php IPAM to this section either. This php IPAM, I'll copy this php IPAM and add this to this section. Define base. Okay, now I'll copy this one and add it here. It's be something like this. PHP IPAM. Okay, now let's save this one. I tap press Ctrl. I hold the Ctrl. I type X and save modify buffer. I type yes and enter. Okay, now I have to enable this mode underscore to rewrite by this command. Copy. To activate new configuration, you need to run system control install Apache 2. It's the same as systemctl install. This will start the Apache 2 service. Okay, done. Now I have to go into my php IPAM web installer section. Simply open my new web page. Let's verify my IP address. if config. It should be this IP address. And type php IPAM. Okay, now this is php IPAM installation page. Okay, now welcome to php IPAM installation wizard. If you notice the current version, it's installed in version 1.7, DB version 41. Because I have used current master branch instead of 1.6. Okay, now in this section I have to let's go and check the installation button. This one new and type. Okay, now I have to raise this installation button and click automatic database installation button. Where's this one? And under this automatic database installation button section, I have to specify show advanced button and uncheck create new database because I have created a database before for this command. And uncheck set permission to tables reader. Let's verify. Yes, and also I have to uncheck set permission to tables. Here I have to specify my database username. I have already created. This is my database name, MySQL database name. Okay, this is I have created here. This is my database name. This is the same as. Then I have to specify my database PHP user database username and password. These are this one. I have already set permission. I have already set grant or permission to this user. Copy and choose the section. php IPAM user and php IPAM password. And this is my database name and php IPAM database. And database installed successfully, and to continue. Then here in this section I have to specify another user. This is admin password. I type my admin password. So type save setting. Okay, password must be at this characters. Okay. Save setting. Okay, settings update and installation complete. And proceed to login. Then here I have to specify my admin and password. And type login. Okay, this is how we can install php IPAM version 1.7.0. This is current. This is from master branch. In Linux, on Linux Debian 12. And let's use this. Okay, let's verify this. In this section, I can specify customer section. This is subnet. I can specify my subnet for our network and so on. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for viewing.